A mistrial declared late this afternoon in the trial of Tony Balcom. Balcom is accused of aggravated manslaughter in the death of 3-year-old Enrique Evans, who died in 2023 after ingesting a fatal dose of fentanyl. The jury deliberated for about 5 hours today before telling the judge they could not agree on a verdict. Prosecutors say they will retry the case as early as next month. The child's mother, Cameron Evans, has already been convicted in the little boy's